Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can connect Faceit with Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Faceit, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to go right top corner to three dots and click your account. When you're gonna be here, you just want to click integrations, and here you're gonna have Twitch, right? So what you want to do is just simply click connect Twitch and authorize. And voila, here you got it. So right now your Twitch is connected, and everyone will there will come to Faceit or CSGO or whatever game. You will be directly connected. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.